you wanted. So lift your eyes if you feel you can. Reach for a star and I'll show you a plan. I figured it out, what I needed was someone to show me. You know you can't fool me, I've been loving you too long. It started so easy, you want to carry on. Carry on. Lost in love and I don't know much. Wasn't thinking aloud, fell out of touch. But I'm back on my feet and eager to be what you wanted. You know you can't fool me, I've been loving you too long. It started so easy, you want to carry on. Lost in love and I don't know much. Was I thinking aloud? Fell out of touch, but I'm back on my feet, eager to be what you wanted. Now I'm lost in love, lost in love, lost in love, lost in love. Now I'm lost in love, I'm lost in love.
Stop, whoa, yes, wait a minute, Mr. Postman. Wait, Mr. Postman.
Please, Mr. Postman, look and see.
Oh, yeah.
There's a letter in your bag for me.
Please, Mr. Postman.
Why is it taking such a long time?
Oh, yeah.
Only to hear from that boy of mine.
There must be some word today from my boyfriend so far away. Please, Mr. Postman, look and see if there's a letter for me. I've been standing here waiting, Mr. Postman, so patiently for just a call or just a letter saying he's returning home to me, Mr. Postman. Whoa, yeah. Please, Mr. Postman. Whoa, yeah.
Separado, pero unido está el corazón.
Y aunque somos diferentes,
Nos une una obsesión. Cantar es nuestra vida y mi música es tu voz. A tu lado me siento seguro, a tu lado no dudo, a tu lado yo puedo volar, a tu lado brilla mi estrella, a tu lado mi sueño se hará por fin realidad.
Your story's sad to tell, a teenage ne'er-do-well, most mixed up, non-delinquent on the block. Your future so unclear now, what's left of your career now. Can't even get a trade-in on your smile. Beauty school dropout, no graduation day for you. Beauty school dropout, missed your midterms and flunked shampoo. Well, at least you could have taken time to wash and clean your clothes up after spending all that dough. The doctor fixed your nose up. Baby, get moving. Why keep your feeble hopes alive? What are you?
Se magnifica poderte amar como pude soñar, oh la la la. Esto es magnifica, decirnos sí delante un cura al fin se magnifica.